So when I used to work at McDonald's, and yes I did, I worked when I was younger, they had this little thing where it's called an Oreo McFlurry, and you could get their little chocolate mud cake and put it on the bottom and put the flurry on top. And that was one of our major off-menu secret McDonald's menu items. And today you're going to find about those on 5-Star Marine. That's good.
Hey, that intro rolled off the tongue well, Sean. Well done. When did you work at McDonald's? Did you get free food? What, is it 1 meal a day or 2 meals a day? Did you get frustrated working at McDonald's that you weren't in control?
No, because I was a line manager.
Oh, you were line, of course he was. He was line manager. Is there a line? How many stars did you have? Come on, how many stars did you have? How many stars did you
I
have?
have no idea.
What do you mean you might? It's a whole.
I was very young.
You were a line manager, very young, with
Stop
no
talking
stars.
about McDonald's.
You brought it up.
Hi, it's Sean here from Jay and Jay. God.
You're from 5-Star Marine. I'm Jay.
Hi there, guys. Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay. Sean's done the intro 8 times.
Yes.
It was good though. The first one was the best.
He's still got my sunglasses on.
Sean worked at McDonald's. Did you realise that Sean, he was a line manager? We discussed this in the first time we shot, but then we had to do it all again because he messed up.
Yes.
Anyway, what are we here for
Can
today,
I tell
Sean?
you though that
Yes.
the freezer at McDonald's where they keep all the frozen meat,
It's cold?
it stinks. It's horrible smell.
Why is it a horrible smell?
I don't know. We can't bag McDonald's because I'll get some defamation case against me. So we're going to move on. We love McDonald's.
Or beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese,
But we don't
pickles,
love it as much
onion,
as we love
sesame
Dr.
seed,
Pepper.
bun. Love you, Dr. Pepper.
So today, actually, we want to talk about what we call off-menu items. So
What's an off-the-menu item, Sean?
There are some tours that people ask us about quite often, which we don't have available on our website, but
What?
we do
Say what?
regularly operate. And one of them is one of my more favorite tours, which is the combined PP and James Bond tour. If you go to our website, which Kyle is doing just now, and go to the drop-down menu, you'll see that this tour is not on our menu of tours.
What?
It's
Why
an
not?
off-menu tour.
If I want to do an off-menu tour, is there a secret word or is there a secret code? Do I have to show my left nipple or what? How do I get it? Don't look at my nipple like that.
Left nipple.
Left nipple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Specifically, you must show us Jay's left nipple and we'll show you the off-menu items. No, these are tours that we don't directly market online but are available. And if you do Google search PP and James Bond, you will see an entire blog post and a video from Jay and I about this tour.
What? Why don't we market them? If they're good tours, why do we keep them secret?
It's a good question.
Okay, that's why I asked it.
And I think that a lot of it is that we're trying to keep it exclusive to just what 5-Star Marine does, and a lot of our competitors, they like to copy everything on our website.
No way!
So we do put some hidden kind of tours deep within our website on blog posts and YouTube videos. So if you're a YouTube subscriber, you might already know about this video because Jay's done 2 videos
Yeah, but
about
hold on.
2.
So we're keeping these a secret from our competitors, but we're doing a whole YouTube video
Yeah,
about
we
it.
don't care about it. We want our customers to see it. Our competitors don't watch us. We're boring.
Well, I wish they would. Our likes would go up then, wouldn't it? And our views, that'd be lovely. Please
Yes.
watch our videos, competitors.
So one of the off-menu items is the PP and James Bond video, which is the first video that Jay ever did on our YouTube channel.
I did when I
And
was
you
young,
did it-
fit and
you did
single
it
and
with
lovely. A beautiful young man. He was gorgeous and she was gorgeous. She was from Scotland and he was from Australia, I
Do
think.
you know that he started an airline now?
He started an airline.
The entire airline.
Shut the front door, really?
What were you doing on tour with him?
He was, no, they were both lovely. They were both lovely people.
Amazing people, very nice people, and they said very nice things about us too.
Yeah, they
Not
did.
so nice about Jay, but
All
we
right.
edited that part out. So that's one of our off-menu tours.
Okay.
Jay, do you have an example of another off-menu tour?
No,
we do?
Sean, I don't.
Oh.
No, because they're off the menu. I don't know. I only know about the ones that are on the menu, such as going to PP or to going to Phang Nga Bay or the bioluminescence.
Oh,
or
well, we have another secret off-menu tour, which we filmed with some YouTubers called Dabble and Travel. We filmed this 2 years ago.
Dabble and Travel.
And this was a tour that combined both Phang Nga Bay and Hong Karabi into the same day. And actually, when their video came out highlighting this video, it was one of our most popular tours because it would allow you to see both the Hong Karabi area and the amazing viewpoint and lagoon of Hong Karabi.
The viewpoint is stunning there, by the way.
As well as Panyi Island, James Bond Island, and canoeing through the caves with a lunch at Ban Rim Nam. So that's another off-menu
So
tour
someone
we have.
want to book that off-menu tour, has it got a seat? Is it Dabble tour?
Dabble and travel, so Kyle will cut it in. This is a YouTube couple who came and they asked for this specific tour and we designed it completely around them and their video.
Thanks, Dabble and trap. I can't say it.
Dabble and travel.
Yeah, thanks them.
So that's 2 off-menu item tours that we have.
Shall I have another one? I still don't know.
Really?
No, I really don't know. Can I just say, Sean sent me this last night. He goes, Jay, got a great video idea. Let's do off-menu items. I went, okay.
Can we be more specific? I didn't say all of that. You elaborated. I said a lot less.
You did say video idea off menu. That was it. That's all.
That's it.
That was the text I got. I was like, okay, whatever. So we're here to shoot. So I don't really know what you're talking about.
So those are two tours that you won't find in our drop-down menus, but you will find in our YouTube content and also on our blog on 5-Star Marine. I could actually keep going and give you 3 or 4 other off-menu items.
Why don't you? Because then that'll make the video a bit longer.
No, but what I would prefer to do is say one of the ways to get access to all of these off-menu items is to watch our YouTube videos. So you should like, subscribe, and comment.
Should put a secret code somewhere.
And in the
description.
That's it. We're going to link to some of the off-menu tour videos that we've done.
Okay. That means I've got to do some work.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's it. And I think it's really important for you to understand that off-menu tours are all about customizing tours to suit what you want to see.
That's right.
So we would even say that the Captain's Choice tour is an off-menu item. Because
even though it's on the menu.
It is, but it's a tour without a itinerary of any kind. So it allows us to kind of build a tour to suit you on the day.
Okay.
So that's another one that you should have a look at.
Do you know any other off-menu items in other restaurants? Do they still do that?
I don't know.
I don't know. I might go and do some research. Maybe some off-menu items in Phuket.
That would be cool.
But years ago, it was really difficult to do because with social media now, everyone posts it. Oh, if you go and say double-ended burger, that sounded a bit rude. You get, I don't know, a double-ended burger.
You know everything about burgers.
Yeah, 23rd of March, 2024, Burger Fest.
All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Jay's going to finish this off.
Am I? If you want an off-menu item, just send me a message. Just email me at Jay. No, I shouldn't give out my email, should I? Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll put the off-menu items in the description. That's it. Cool, thanks. Bye. Still waving.